Hello, and welcome to another CE Solution tutorial. We are your industry leader in continuing education for fire and EMS professionals. This short video will introduce you to some of the most important features of our website. After this video, you should be able to navigate our site easily to reach your educational goals. On the home page, in the main menu on the left side of the page, let's look at Certification Managers. Under this tab, you're able to input any additional external certifications you have. You can see all your certs and the dates they expire. This will make it easier to keep up with dates and all the additional certifications that you carry. You can add additional certifications by clicking Additional Certifications. You can go to Type of Certification and choose one of our pre-listed certifications that are already there. You put in your certification number, your expiration date. You can even upload a copy of your certification. That way, you always have a spare one on file. When you go back here to your Certification Manager, you can download that document that was uploaded. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. We here at CE Solutions appreciate your business. Have a great day.